Ministry of Railways has granted ex post facto approval for entrusting the additional charge of the post of Director Domestic Division at Container Corporation of India Limited to Shri H.S. Bajwa, Indian Railway Traffic Service Officer and Executive Director Finance and Marketing, Railway Board. According to the Railway Board, Shri Sudhir Singh, an officer of the Indian Railway Service of Engineers, currently serving as Executive Director/Chief Engineer Bridges at the Railway Board, was entrusted with the additional responsibility of Director Projects IRCON International Limited, New Delhi. NTPC Renewable Energy Limited has issued an invitation for bids for the large-scale supply of solar photovoltaic (PV) modules for a 1,200 megawatt solar project at the Khavda Renewable Energy Park in the South Block, Run of Kutch, Gujarat. Dr. Hemant Sharad Pandey assumed charge as Chairman cum Managing Director of Western Coalfields Limited on the 8th of May 2026. On this occasion, directors of WCL, the Chief Vigilance Officer, heads of departments and other senior officials extended their best wishes to him. REC Limited has been honored with a prestigious gold medal for its outstanding social impact during the World Red Cross Day celebrations held on May 7, 2026. The recognition was conferred by the Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh at a special ceremony organized by the Indian Red Cross Society at Lok Bhavan. Western Coalfields Limited celebrated a landmark achievement as its mines rescue team returned to Nagpur after securing a historic victory at the prestigious International Mines Rescue Competition 2026 held in Zambia. In a significant corporate social responsibility initiative, NLC India Limited announced that its subsidiary NLC Tamil Nadu Power Limited has provided a dedicated student bus to Government Medical College and Hospital, Ramanathapuram, to strengthen safe and reliable transportation for students. Housing Finance Major Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited has announced an e-auction for the sale of mortgaged immovable property in Madhya Pradesh under the provisions of the SARFA ESI Act 2002. REC Limited has announced the incorporation of 3 new wholly owned subsidiary companies under its subsidiary REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited to accelerate the development of interstate power transmission infrastructure in India. Punjab National Bank organized a mega agriculture outreach program titled PNB Krishi Aaramb across 247 locations spanning villages, gram panchayats and rural centers across India.